Oski, buddy! Guys, the BMW Supra is a fast car. However, is it faster than a Lamborghini? Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. And welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. I have been reading your guys' comments. There's been a lot of smack talk left and right about the Mark V 2020 Toyota Supra, how it's garbage, it's a BMW, it's not up to the snuff of the legendary Mark IV Supra, although there were 3 generations of Supras before the Mark IV. So there's actually been, well, yeah, it does not matter. That Supra is fast, so boys, and we're gonna prove it to you guys today. However, is it Lamborghini fast? That's the question. Update on the 6x6 Gladiator. We have a very custom axle being built out of the state of Florida. It's gonna be the middle axle. It's called a pass-through axle. It should be here in about a week and a half, but Supra. Dun dun dun! We have the 2020 Mark V Toyota Supra Turbo and the Lamborghini Gallardo. Update on the Pandem Rocket Bunny wide body kit. Today is Tuesday. Installation should start on Monday of next week. Lamborghini Toyota 2020 2006 5-liter 3-liter single turbo, no turbos, 520 horsepower, 335 horsepower, automatic transmission, manual transmission, all-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, Mexico, BMW versus Audi. Wait, no. Lamborghini versus Toyota. Yeah.
Yeah, what's up, bro?
You know what the retail is on one of these, right?
It doesn't matter. You bought it. It's not mine.
Bro,
it's not mine.
He has a history of crashing into crowds and walls. He drives a GT 350 and we're headed to Mexico. I want the Lambo to beat that Supra, mainly because the Burlacker's driving it, and I just couldn't deal with his smuggery. I just couldn't handle it. Ooh. It's about 9.5 hours to Guadalajara, where we're headed for this very competitive race. I'm not gonna bore you with a bunch of B-roll nonsense, so I will see you in 9.5 hours. Yeah. It is a beautiful, beautiful crisp day here in Guadalajara, Mexico. We got the Guadalupe Mountains up there, we got Mount Hidalgo right there, and the Saguaro National Forest out there in the distance.
Making that up.
What's up, bro? No, you did. Why are you doing me like that? I do need to take a moment and apologize. We tried to get a professional driver. I reached out to Lewis Hamilton. He's in like Kuala Lumpur or Hong Kong or Singapore. I don't know, he's got some big race this weekend. I don't know, in Singapore, I think. We tried to get a professional driver, but unfortunately, he was the best we could find, so not really fair for the Supra. We really do need the driver mod. What?
I got my race shoes.
Race
red.
Dude.
I'm ready.
They're like paint to sample to match the Supra. I like that.
And I'm trying to reduce weight as much as possible so my hoodie doesn't even have sleeves.
What are you talking about?
It doesn't even have sleeves.
This guy, he's wearing a hoodie without sleeves, and you make fun of me for my $9 shorts.
I couldn't afford sleeves. They were, you know.
The Gallardo has 520 horsepower, the Supra's 335, but I would reckon the Gallardo probably weighs more. Burlacker's doing some investigating. What do we have?
4,000.
4,001 pound?
Yeah.
I think the Gallardo's less than that. Wow. How is that possible? So the Gallardo is 3968. So this is 30 pounds lighter, and you're driving that, and I'm driving this.
So you have 130 pounds on me.
Yes, that's what we needed, boys. Yes. The problem is, I have never lost to the Burlacker in anything whatsoever, whether it's a food eating contest, 3-point contest, dunk contest, racing the Lamborghini Gallardo against the Audi R8. I smoked him in the Gallardo. Yeah, I had 100 horsepower over, but that doesn't matter. We raced the Supra in the GT 350. I embarrassed him, honestly. But today, something's got to give because the Supra's never lost, and I've never lost, but I'm driving the Gallardo, and this man is driving the Supra. I just don't know if I can take it. Like, if you defeat me, I'm never gonna live that down.
To circle back, first off, you have lost to me in certain things like 3-point contests and so forth.
He's not wrong.
Yeah, I'm not wrong. Cats crying, babies crying, rump roasting, bun toasting. Thank you, Wham Bam. I am jam.
Burlacker has never used launch control on the Supra, so sport mode on, traction control off, mash the brake, mash the throttle, let off on the brake. Full send. Dude, bro. Come on, Berlacher. He's leaving before the third honk. Yeah, bring it back. Bring it back. What was that, bro? You're taking off. You haven't even honked 3 times.
I didn't think anyone would know.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I short shifted. I short shifted. Come on, Gallardo. Go, 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 go. Garbage, that is garbage. Oh, oh. This is it. This is the last opportunity for the Gallardo to achieve glory. Come on, Gallardo, go. No, no, no. No, no. Go! Yes! 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 Okay, he hit the brakes. He hit the brakes. That was my best one off the line. The Gallardo was so close, but that Supra's still quicker. That car is so fast. You know what we need? We need a V12. I'd like to apologize to all of you guys. I'd like to apologize to my mom and dad. I embarrassed myself. I embarrassed Lamborghini, and I made BMW look like a world champion. Are you kidding me? Oh, not this guy. Oh, look at that smug smile.
I'm a BMW driver. I knew what to do. It's a BMW.
Bro.
Right at home. It feels good to win though, right here. No, yeah.
To all the Lamborghini executives watching today's video, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I love you, but it's time to head back home to America.
Hey, you know, this would be a good time for you to clear out the garage because we're getting the floor done like ASAP, like this week, and we need to clean it up. So, if you could help out, appreciate it. Oh, and remember how I smoked you? Yeah, smug grin.
The Supra may have won. That sounds much, much better.
He's trying to make himself feel better.
That's going in the video. 100%. We're working out on camera today. We're going for a max bench press today. This is my personal trainer, Johnny Boy, and you're gonna get me strong because right now, I mean, it's not.
Listen, you already are strong. I'm just gonna get you big.
This Supra continues to embarrass other cars. First the GT350, and now the Gallardo, unfortunately. Dude, bro, I've been standing here for like an hour waiting for you. We're gonna start working out right now, boys. If you want to skip ahead like 20 seconds, trust me, I get it, but I'm gonna do my max bench press, and I really need to record this as motivation for the future.
Where's the leg?
2, 3. Bro, help, bro, are you kidding me,
Let me finish my set. I gotta finish my set.
Jeez, bro.
Chest up.
165.
Yes. Breathe out.
Up.
Big.
Up.
I can see the comments right now. Yeah, I was this close to my chest. Big deal. It was 165. 165. All right, like Johnny, let's see it.
Respect.
It's like not even trying. Yeah, but look at the chest John has. I'm getting just as much depth. I just don't have any pecs.
You know what? Cry me a river. Look how long my arms are. You see how far it has to travel? My whole life. So.
Cry me a river. He
I
just said that.
Justin Timberlake, baby JT.
It's coming to my nose.
This is take 2. I gotta touch. Yeah.
Chest up. Chest up.
Get it. Get it. Oh, easy. Easy. Are you kidding me?
Yep.
170, baby.
On the way down.
Get it. Oh, it. Up.
Come on.
Up. Oh.
Chest.
Up. 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 You alright there?
Yeah, I just bench pressed 170. 170.
Man,
I was this close to 175. The goal is 205 someday, but now we're headed to Texas Roadhouse because, well, he won the race, so I actually owe him, but also I need the protein. There are few places more beautiful in the world than Texas Roadhouse. Dun, dun, dun. I don't want to predict the future, but someday we're gonna get the Texas Roadhouse sponsorship. Oh, thank you, sir.
Can't wait.
Not a paid product placement for Texas Roadhouse or its affiliates.
But it should be.
But it should be, and it will be. Are you kidding me? I don't know how to say this. I didn't film myself indulging in the glory of that steak. However, I just got this. So, it's bulk season, boys. We gotta get calories. I think that was like 4,000 calories. Bro, I'm not doing well. I overate. I did not need the brownie. I got a bulk though. I got a bulk. 4,000 calories, yeah, you think? Probably 4,000? 5,000. Hello. And then there's this guy just flexing on everybody. Are you kidding me? He has a side-by-side there on the truck bed. Could you imagine the 6x6 Gladiator? That's goals. That is goals. That's gonna happen, boys. This Supra is starting to get a bit of an ego. It absolutely walked the Burlakers GT350. Link to that video in the description below. And then it handed it to the Gallardo. I don't know if it can quite take the V12. If you guys want to see that video, be sure to smash the like button. If today's video gets 59,412 likes, we will race the Supra against the Aventador. Not really for scientific reasons, just to kind of sort of embarrass the Supra. So anyways, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over.